Do you know the difference between halogen and LED headlights? This Rimthin XM2 Series H11 model headlamp uses the latest chip and emits 6,000 cold white light. Each pair of bulbs has a power of 60 watts, which is 600% brighter than halogen bulbs. This can ensure you have a wider field of vision, allowing you to see more clearly, avoid dangers earlier, and detect them earlier. Designed with an aviation aluminum body, built-in cold-pressed aluminum heatsink, and 12,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan. It provides supercooling capacity and ensures a service life of up to 50,000 hours. Have passed the IP67 Advanced Waterproof certification. Whether it is daily rain intrusion, vehicle driving on a waterlogged road for a long time, or even a short period of immersion, it can be easily dealt with. Designed with the same one-to-one mini design as the halogen lamps, bringing you a safer driving experience.